So the dry rot on this window trim could affect the integrity of the whole window itself. We need to drill it out before it spreads, and I'll show you how to do it. The first thing we have to do is get rid of any of the loose material. That includes any loose paint, but especially the loose wood and rot, and we're going to use a Dremel to get rid of that. You want to make sure you get down as far as you can until you reach solid wood. Now we're going to add a hardener, which will actually harden this wood so the filler has something to attach to. So you're just going to kind of paint it on, and what this is doing is just basically getting ready and hardening the surface for the next step, which is the patch. First thing you do is take out the main component, just about enough that you think is going to fill the area, the gap. Then this is the hardener, and the ratio is about 16:1, so just kind of use your best judgment, just a little bit usually is good. And you got to work fast because this will start to set up, so you have about 15 minutes before it really starts to get hard. Now you want to overfill it a little bit because we're going to sand it, but basically just make sure you push down hard so that it goes into all the crevices and cracks. That's good. Now we'll wait about 20 minutes until it dries. We'll sand it, and then we can prime and paint it. So we've given it some time to dry, and now we're going to sand it down with some 80 grit sandpaper. All right, now we can just dust it off, prime it, and paint it, and we're finished.